Get rid of age spots on face. Skin care routine to remove age spots, brown spots, sunspots, liver spots and dark spots on face. As we age, the skin becomes thinner and blood vessels become visible. Our pores may also increase in size. Later in life, visible signs of growing older include wrinkles, sagging skin and an increasing number of dark age spots on face, freckles, moles and other changes to pigmentation caused by sunlight. Today we have come up with some skin care remedy to remove age spots on face. Brown spots on skin is also a sign of aging, which is also known as liver spots on face. Before that, we should know what causes age spots on hands and brown spots on face. This kind of dark spots on face are very common in adults older than 50. But younger people can get them too, especially if they spend a lot of time in the sun. They will have this dark spots on skin naturally with time. So, before a heavy growth, we should take step to the best way to get rid of brown spots on face. There are many natural remedies for age spots on legs removal and liver spot removal on internet. But do you think all the natural age spot remover that works with your skin? Because you don't know what gets rid of brown age spots on face. Here we are going to demonstrate some simplest and best dark spot remover for face with kitchen ingredients from home, so that everyone can use it without hesitate. Sunspots on skin are caused by overactive pigment cells which appears as black spots on skin. Ultraviolet light accelerates the production of melanin on the areas of skin that have had years of frequent and prolonged sun exposure. Sunspots on face appear when melanin produced in high concentrations called brown patches on skin. Now, how to remove age spots. To get best age spot remover, these natural homemade tips will do the best without any side effects. Follow these skincare brown spot removal tips to remove dark spots on skin naturally. Now, no need to buy those expensive age spots cream, rather these simple sunspot removal remedies will lighten age spots, remove brown spots on face, brown spots on hands, black spots on face, dark patches on face and liver spots on skin. When you notice little skin discoloration on face, then don't hesitate to try these age spot solution to fade age spots and dark marks on face. The most beautiful thing is you can have those ingredients at your home instantly. I would suggest you can apply these even now on your skin as a skincare routine. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty. Thank you.